Now we can start with computer screen. First, log into your personal Facebook account. Now here you can see the Create pop-up menu. There is many options available. Now we are going to choose Create Page. Here you can start with business or brand. Here you can enter your business name. Then business category may be not possible to find an exact category, but try to choose a suitable one for your business. Then give business address and contact details. Then add a profile picture and wallpaper.